everyone. My name is McWhirt. I'm a horticulture extension specialist with the University of Arkansas, and we're out here at our second soil health field day and talking about seeding cover crops. Now is a great time to start thinking about seeding summer cover crops. We finally have some good soil temperatures where things are going to pop out of the ground really well. It's warmed up enough that our soil temperatures are, above 60. That's generally what we need for a lot of these warm season cover crops. And some of the things that I always like to recommend to people when you're thinking about planting a cover crop is make sure that you do some prep work to make sure that that soil is going to be prepped, that there's going to be some moisture there, that you're going to place that seed at the right depth. And that's going to go a long way to make sure that you get the best cover crop stand that you can, and that's going to maximize the potential benefit that you might get from a cover crop. So we know that the soil temperature is right. We're going to get some rain later this weekend, so now would be a good time to go out and start planting some of those summer cover crops to make sure you get some moisture. It'll help them start to germinate. But depth placement is going to be another thing that you want to think about. For a lot of our specialty crop growers, they maybe don't have equipment like drills to try and drill seed things, but they may be able to broadcast seed over small areas. And so one of the things I always tell people to consider is think about the different size of seeds of different cover crops that you might be planting. So cowpea and pearl millet is a great mixture for to be planted in the summer to precede strawberries, for example. Our recommended seeding rate for that combination would be something like 100 pounds per acre cowpea, 10 pounds per acre pearl millet, and that's a pretty high seeding rate, but it works well if you're going to be broadcasting. But the trick there is that a cowpea seed is much bigger than a pearl millet seed. So those cowpea seeds we want placed a lot deeper than the pearl millet that could actually just be broadcast and placed on the soil surface. So generally what I tell people is, broadcast that cowpea seed across your area, rake it in or scratch it in with some kind of equipment so that it gets pushed down to a deeper depth. Then you can come back on top of that, broadcast your pearl millet seeds, just press those in lightly, and then hopefully you'll get some good rains to kind of settle everything in and get that popping up out of the ground and have a nice cover crop that's going to help suppress nematodes, help suppress weeds. You're going to get some nitrogen from the cowpea and then provide some good soil cover. So it's just some things to think about if you're going to be planting summer cover crops. Thanks for joining us today.